guys, the reason why I'm making this video, my two favorite bags are really wide away. The reason why I'm making this video is because try to see if I can capture on video. Come on. Can you guys hear that? Dad!